Hello, I'm Steve Barber. I'm the CEO of Xyratex. Xyratex is a leading global provider of data storage technology. We're the largest OEM provider of data storage solutions to the industry, as well as class-leading technology for the high-performance computing storage space. Xyratex is unique as a provider to the high-performance computing space in the UK, and partnering with the core team recognized for their expertise in the space was a very natural fit for us. We were very anxious to learn from true users to provide a real user experience of high-performance computing as we developed the architecture for this platform. Partnering with a truly industry-leading group of individuals in the high-performance computing space has been a huge benefit for us and has really helped our business. Undoubtedly, their industry expertise, certainly a well-recognized team who are very industry aware. In engaging with academia, I think the UK has struggled for industry to engage effectively with academia. I think the core team has proven a very, very effective model in engaging with industry. And I guess for us, the attraction was their flexibility in providing bite-sized tasks right the way up to very large-scale projects. And the ability to scale right the way through that, I think, has been a major advantage that they bring, coupled with their real understanding of how to engage with industry. Their understanding of our needs, their understanding of both the commercial terms as well as setting expectations up front was extremely useful for us and allowed us to engage effectively early on without having to go through the expectation setting and understanding between the parties. Again, back to my earlier comment, their industry awareness coupled with really deep expertise in the HPC space has been a huge asset for us. And certainly when I think considering engagements of this type, I would certainly encourage other parties to understand the capability of the provider, really talk to some of their customers, talk about the engagement process before you engage. First of all, seek out a partner who has real credibility, who's recognized in the industry as providing the service that you're seeking. Speak to their customers. I think, like ourselves, engage or ask for references, engage with those customers and understand their experience, because it will be different for every company's engagement. I think also start small. I think our approach was to develop the relationship initially, understand how the partner worked, how we needed to engage with them, and based on that, really move it forward as we have into much larger projects. It really comes down, I think, to in this case, the strength we recognized from their technical capabilities, their flexibility in engaging with industry, and the scalability from, as I say, small projects to very, very large-scale projects. They really took the time to understand our requirements. When we first engaged, as I said, it was a learning process to understand how we communicate, how we engage. And I think the core team's expertise in dealing with industry and understanding the needs of industry allowed that conversation to be narrowed down reasonably quickly to the point where we could define exactly what we required. And from our standpoint, a very clear understanding of the expectations on both sides. And I think that engagement allowed us to interact very, very quickly. And as the experience has been, I think, extremely positive for Xyratex, we've found the relationship very, very positive for our business. And I think the deep capability of the core team has really helped us move this business forward. I think as I look forward, our relationship that we've built up with Core over the last 2 years in working with them has now enabled us to really take this the next stage forward. We've used the Core capability to model a number of projects for us as we develop our capability. We're now moving to the stage where we're starting to look beyond current data storage technologies in the high performance space to really thinking about exascale computing, the needs of the cloud, the needs of really, really large scale, big data management. And we certainly have very, very high confidence in the core team's capability to help us in analyzing those opportunities and really directing our priorities on our development roadmaps.